So hey guys, the OnePlus Open is anticipated to be launched in near future. OnePlus has officially shared a photo with a caption coming soon. To be honest, OnePlus has nailed it in the design department. Seeing it side by side with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the OnePlus Open will catch your eyes first. Now a new video shows OnePlus Open aka Oppo Find N3 displays crease versus Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. As reported by 9to5 Google, this particular video was published by Jagat Reviews after an invitation by Oppo Indonesia to check out the device. In it, we see the device featured with the Oppo branding fully opened and compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The video shows that the phone has a very thin and almost invisible display crease depending on lighting and the angle the device is held at. This is a significant improvement over the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, which has a much more notable crease. In addition, we can also confirm the presence of a alert slider in both the OnePlus and the Oppo branded versions of the devices we have seen. This detail has become a significant feature for OnePlus devices in the past, and it is really good news to see that tradition continues. This means the OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 are the same phones but with different names and different markets. In an email to The Verge, OnePlus finally addressed the fact that it and its sister company Oppo are launching the same foldable device under different names. Although not specified, the Oppo Find N3 is believed to stay exclusive to the Chinese market, while the OnePlus Open could be released in international market. It is logical to not release the same device for other markets in order to maintain the novelty of the product. Finally, there is some light on the launch date of the OnePlus Open. Yes, according to the tipster Max Jamberg, the first foldable phone from OnePlus will debut on October 19th. Initially, the launch of the OnePlus Open was anticipated to take place at the end of August. However, the event was later postponed due to problems with the BOE display and switching to Samsung plans. It looks like the OnePlus Open will be better than the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in all key specs, such as display, camera, design and durability. OnePlus has focused on all important elements that make a foldable phone better and easy to use. So what do you think about this OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.